I get to have a little bit of fun with manipulatives today. I hope you enjoy watching this. We are going to divide a decimal by a whole number today. 1 2/10 divided by 3. So what I've done is I have represented our dividend 1 2/10 using these base 10 blocks. This block is going to represent one whole, and each of these blocks represents 1/10. So we have 1 and 2/10. What I want to do is divide these into 3 equal groups. So I'm going to kind of put some circles down here that kind of have openings so I can slide these into these little circles. They kind of look like pumpkins, even though October is finished. Okay, so what I want to do is evenly distribute my tenths into these 3 groups. Well, I can put 1/10 there and 1/10 here, but I need to do something to this one whole. So something that I know is that 1 whole is the same thing as, let me do this real quickly, as how many tenths, guys? It's the same as 10 tenths, okay? So what I'm going to do is, I did not practice that very well, did I? So there's our one whole. I have simply transferred that or substituted my 10 tenths for 1 whole. Now I can keep on dividing. Put 1/10 there. So now 2/10, 2/10, 2/10, 3/10 in each group, 3/10, 3/10, 4/10, 4/10, 4/10. 1 2/10 divided by 3, or divided into 3 groups, equals how many in each group? Yeah, 4/10. So we would write that in standard form. Here's what that looks like using the standard algorithm. 1 2/10 divided by 3. 3 won't go into 1. I can either put a 0 or an X, whichever one, okay? But 3 will go into 12/10, okay? Because 1 2/10 is the same as 12/10. It will go in 4 times. And 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. Oh, where does my decimal go? It goes straight up because I'm dividing by a whole number. Guys, 12/10 divided by 3 equals 4/10 in each group.